Hello? Hey, Sheena. What's up? You want me to battle who? Jabberjaws? He's still rapping? Jesus Christ. Now, didn't he get booed off stage? Wasn't he bringing like slavery back or some shit? Yeah, doesn't he got like 16 albums? Nah. No, I don't want to listen. No, I'm good, love. Enjoy. You want me to pay him? I'm not paying him to battle. No, I got a bar mitzvah that day. What, the 6th? Yeah, we can do it that day. Yeah, I'll pick him up. I always pick him up. My girlfriend's husband. All right, I'll see you then. All right, bye.
What'd she say?
She's gonna call you next, bro.
All right. Hey, I ain't got no gas money, bro, but here's a CD.
Man, I don't want to listen to this shit, Carl.
Thanks for the ride, man.
Man, you hurt, man. Just get in my back seat. I'm about to listen to this shit now.
I never sleep. Always on my job. I never sleep.
Hello? You said what? You need a P. A P of what? Who? Do I want to battle AP? Who the fuck is AP? Oh, the chicken fucker. Yeah. Shit, I mean, I'll do it, but you know, I'm gonna need at least like 10 racks. All right, a free Miller High Life will be good. I mean, as long as we're main event. Oh yeah, somewhere in the middle's fine, I guess. Hey, but if he touches me, we're gonna have a problem. Yeah, I mean, if he smokes a blunt with me, we'll be good. You know, ain't no big deal. Why do I always gotta battle the white guys? July 6th? All right, well, I'm gonna get back in the studio, but I'll be there. All right.
Look in the lab when I'm rapping, I'm savage, attracted a whooping, ain't no pulling back cause I'm pushing. I never sleep, always on my job. I never sleep, your boy be going hard. I never sleep, I'll do that when I die. But even when I'm not awake, I keep that money on my mind. Let's get it. I never sleep, always on my job. I never sleep, your boy be going hard.